Today we're going to talk about our new wooden camera accessories for the Sony FX6, known for its full-frame sensor and compact form factor. We'd like to start by highlighting a few of the new accessories we're most excited about. Let's start with our Battery Slide Pro. The Battery Slide Pro, with its all-metal construction, attaches directly to the back of the camera, making for a very secure mounting point to give you that invaluable extended battery life. It features 3 D-taps located here, here, and here, with a digital fuse which will cut off accessory power when the current exceeds 3.8 amps. If tripped, the camera will remain powered, but the red warning light will turn on. To reset, just remove the powered down accessories, press the reset button, and then reattach the accessories. To attach the slide, you'll use these 2 screw holes here on the back of the camera. Now that the Battery Slide Pro is attached, we'll go ahead and plug in our barrel power connector. Now we can install our battery. If we want to change the position of the plate, we can simply loosen the thumb screws and adjust accordingly by sliding up and down or pivoting on the axis. Now let's take a look at our top plate and lens mount. The new form-fitting top plate can be attached to the camera by 1/4-20 screws. This plate has 1/4-20 and 3/8 mounting points, as well as the standard ARRI pin lock accessory mount. This gives you an array of options for mounting all of your accessories. Now we'll take a look at the E-mount to PL adapter. This adapter is designed to integrate natively with our top plate by the 2 1/4-20 screws located here. To install, we'll line up the screws with the corresponding holes on the front of the top plate. We've threaded the screws, but as you can see, we haven't fully tightened them down. That's because we want to allow for a little play when we install the PL mount. Once that's locked in, we can finish tightening our screws and secure the mount in place with this thumb screw. This is the Unified Baseplate, which is included in all 3 of our kits. It attaches directly to the bottom of your camera and allows for a 15mm lightweight rod setup. It also allows you to release your camera in 2 different ways. You can turn the silver thumb screw, slide the camera backwards, and lift off. This exposes the ARRI Swiss standard dovetail shape on the bottom. The second option, if you're using an ARRI standard dovetail, you can turn the red thumb screw, allowing your camera to move along the dovetail. To release, slide backwards, depress the safety catch, and lift off. Now let's take a look at the kits we have available for the FX6. We have the Base, Advanced, and Pro. The kits allow for you to have everything you need in one place. We'll start with the Base. The Base kit includes the new top plate, a unified base plate, and 2 12-inch 15mm lightweight rods. This is the smallest and lightest build, great for those run and gun situations. This is the Advanced kit. The Advanced kit, which includes all the previous items plus an ARRI standard 8-inch Safety Dovetail, offers a little more flexibility to customize your setup. The dovetail allows for you to counterbalance on your tripod. And finally, we have the Pro kit, which includes everything found in the Advanced kit, but we've changed out the 8-inch Safety Dovetail to a 12-inch dovetail, swapped the 12-inch lightweight rods for 15-inch rods, and included the Battery Slide Pro. Pro kits are available in both gold and V-mount, depending on your needs. The Pro kit is designed for bigger setups and accommodates added accessories, as well as longer battery life. All of our accessories seen here are tailored to help you get the most out of your camera for any situation that arises on set. You can find these products as well as many other camera accessories in our store now.